Buy an oven thermometer. An oven thermometer is a very useful tool, especially in cooking. Because of this important gadget, you are able to gain control over the cooking device and create perfect meals. You can correct oven temperatures depending on the type of food you want to cook. Apart from having wonderful meals, using an oven thermometer helps you avoid food bacteria. With these useful functions, who wouldn't want to have an oven thermometer in their homes? To buy one, here's a buying guide for oven thermometers. Consumer-type thermometers used to include mercury thermometers. They have been phased out because of their toxicity that might affect food. Oven thermometers that contain dual metal coils are more popular these days and preferred by most consumers. There are also digital oven thermometers available in stores. Choose and decide on the type of oven thermometer you are going to buy. You can buy oven thermometers at cookware stores or online shops. Nextag.com is a shopping site offering a variety of kitchen helpers including oven thermometers. It is a good search engine for shoppers because of the best deals you can find in their products and services. If there are kitchen shops near you, check out if they sell oven thermometers. It is good to read product reviews and user guides to select on a very good choice. Make sure to read the product descriptions provided. Consider the oven thermometer's precision before deciding on buying one. This, however, can be problematic and sometimes may necessitate you to buy different brands to compare results. Choose an oven thermometer that gives you a good reading. You don't need oven thermometers with fancy graphics on them. A good oven thermometer has surface dials that come with easy-to-read, bold numbers. Also, it features colored zones for quick referencing. Don't forget to check the oven thermometer's condition before leaving the shop. Ask for the terms and conditions and warranty of the product purchased. Ask for contact details for further assistance. Check your oven thermometer at home to see if it is working properly. Hang the oven thermometer inside the oven's rack. Preheat the oven to 325 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Open the oven door and read the thermometer once it has reached the set temperature. The reading should be no more or less than 5 degrees of the set temperature. Leave the oven on for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, check the oven's temperature again. The oven should maintain the temperature setting. It is advisable to always check on the oven thermometer to verify the temperature. Controlling the temperature of your oven and food with an oven thermometer is one of the critical factors in controlling food bacteria. This reason alone should be made known to every homeowner to promote food safety. Such precautionary measures should not be neglected, not just to avoid food poisoning but also to enjoy every good-looking meal served at your dining table.